Got a quick video for you today on the Wuben G3. This was sent in via the company, so I'm just going to show it to you very quickly. Going to be a fairly short video. It does come in quite a nice metal box, so I'll just show you what's included. We've got some foam in there holding the parts in there. So the G3 is a sort of mini knife and a ballpoint pen combined. It's a sort of EDC carry type thing, very compact and small. They do include quite a decent wrist strap with this. It's quite wide and it does have an adjuster. They do give you 5 refills for this. The red points at the top, they're just plastic, so you just take them off when you're ready to use it. As you can see, this is pretty small and I put the sizes up there for you. They do a smooth aluminium version. This one is the stainless steel one. They have a magnetic cap on the first part, so you just pull that off. It does feel fairly strong. The blade with this is more of an edge to it than I would call razor sharp, but you could sharpen it up even more. And onto the other side, unscrew that, and that is your mini ballpoint pen. We do have an O-ring there as well, so that helps keep the water out. You can unscrew that, and that will give you access to the refills. You can get a pack of about 50, I think, of those. Doesn't really cost that much, so I'd be surprised whether you'd get through that many. It's quite nice build quality on this. You can see the engravings and the attention to detail. I'll give you some sort of close-up macro shots on that. As I said, they do a smooth version which is aluminium. This is the stainless steel one. It's really just designed as a sort of handy EDC type item to carry around, and it gives you obviously the pen and some kind of a blade. I'm going to say blade because it's more of an edge. This isn't super sharp. They're saying it's good for sort of unboxing things or opening up boxes. At least that's what they're showing on their website. You're not going to be fighting off hordes of zombies. You're not going to be making a raft on a desert island with that. There's obviously going to need something a bit more beefy, and I don't think it's really designed for self-defense either. It's more of a convenience item than a survival tool as such. Ballpoint pen works well enough. It is quite thin, not the thickest ballpoint that I've used, but it does the job. I think this is ideal for carrying with your keys, something that you carry with you all the time. And that's pretty much it from me. That wraps up this video. As usual, any thoughts or comments, do drop them down below, and I'll see you in the next one.